Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on show location content in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then go into settings and privacy. Here in this section, we tap on privacy and safety. And then we can tap on content you see. And here we tap on explore settings. And then under the location section, we have this button, which we can turn on or turn off, thereby enabling or disabling the X app to show posts that were posted from our region, so from people that live nearby. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.